What up? It's hot as balls outside. I had a blowout on my Velke tire. It blew out, but it cracked right down here in the middle about a week or so ago, and then this chunk finally fell out, and it was making my Velke wobble while we're driving. Okay, so the pressure's not on the side it would pull, obviously hurting the hell out of my knees. I had my wife pick me up another one. Just so we're clear, that's $180 plus tax, 200 bucks. So here's a new one, right? All you gotta do is pull out the bolt. Okay, bolt goes through, it goes through here. Not very hard to do. So spacers, I think they're for wear plate, I don't know. Spacer wear plate. Here, Johnny, hold that. All right. Trailer's hot. So get it on one side, and then we're gonna slide it all the way through. Nut on the other side, it's got the nylon on there. That way it doesn't slip. So I gotta make sure the nut bites. That nylon part of the nut bites the actual thread, which it should do as long as they gave me the right part. Hold the crescent on the other side steady. I'm just gonna tighten up the bolt on this side. That's that. This one is trash.